dream, but there was nothing but silence. Only the trees to witness this act of violence. Him say, nobody now go hear a sound in the bushes with no soul around. Me bite, me fight with all of my might, but the dragon grab on, hold him me tight, chocolate yellow tears for what escape. Mouth get covered and me try to scream. Hold head down to the ground, teeth by tongue. Watch the beast alive, close your pin up. Please stop at the file. I'm just a child, mama waiting for him to come home with a smile. Papa, I go beat me, have some mercy. Cause him not like it when my clothes get dirty. Dirty, cause you's a dirty man with a dirty plan. Touching from head to toe. Brains loaded with dirty plans. Well, just on the outside, it never show but it treat me with a sweetie. I follow blind behind a monster, only to find out that a sicker than cancer. Me shoulda hear, not talk to no strangers. That's all I'm my ball. Let me go. No touch me, me a go scream help. Is this a dream? But there was nothing but silence. Only the trees to witness this act of violence. Me saw fears, meet your hard knuckles, eyes swell as you pull your belt buckle. Life flash, Jano, as I realize a picture of what looks like the end of families and friends I'll never see again. I see you slinging a knife and I'm clinging for life. A victim and I don't know why. I shoulda do this, put me through this. Close my eyes to say goodbye to a world filled with nonsense. This is a poem to appeal to your conscience.